If you are out and about in southwest Idaho, near the town of Melba, or want to see a lesser seen section of the Snake River, Celebration Park may be the destination you're interested in. This is a quick review of things you might want to know about the park, brought to you by Occidentalist Outdoors. Celebration Park is located on a dead-end road right on the Snake River, with many places to access the river, including several fishing accesses and a boat ramp. The boat ramp is concrete and suitable for launching all sizes of crafts, with plenty of parking for trailers and other vehicles. There is a fee campground here, and camping was $5 when we visited in spring of 2024. Some sites are better spaced than others, and a few offer pull-throughs if you happen to have a trailer. All sites feature a parking spot, a table, a fire ring, and trash cans. There's also a dedicated tent pad in each campsite. There are pit toilets located on either end of the campground. There's a pretty great view of the river from all the campsites, as well as a paved path that runs the length of the campground and connects to other trails that lead upriver. The night we were there, we enjoyed a pretty spectacular sunset, and I'm guessing this is a pretty common occurrence. There are also trails that lead you to one of the main attractions of the park, several petroglyphs that are found carved into the sun-baked basalt that is very common here. There are tours of the petroglyphs offered by park staff, but you may want to check or call ahead to see if a staff member is going to be available if this is something you're interested in. Speaking of learning about the history of the area, there's a visitor center and museum located at the park as well. However, both were closed during our visit due to short staffing. Finally, there's the historic Guffey Bridge. Constructed in 1897 for the Boise, Nampa, and Oahe Railroad, the bridge was built to carry gold and silver ore from nearby Oahe Mountains. But by the time the bridge was completed, the mines had played out and no ore ever crossed this bridge. One of the tallest railroad bridges in the nation at the time of construction, the bridge did carry more sheep and cattle across it than any other rail line in the West at its time. After a time serving as target practice for jets from the nearby Mountain Home Air Force Range, the bridge was rescued by the Idaho State Historical Society and sold to Canyon County for $1 and was eventually refurbished and reopened as a walking trail in 1991. We hope you found this quick overview of Celebration Park informative. Let us know if you visit and what your thoughts are down in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so we can meet you again on our next adventure. Until then, we'll see you out on the trail.